Hey everyone, how are you guys doing? It's been a while since I made a video and my wife was craving for chicken salad sandwich, so she asked me to make chicken salad. So just for her, I'm gonna make the chicken salad today. So let's start with the ingredients. I have about four big, big chicken breast. All right, so I have four chicken breast. And then I'm gonna use celery, one stalk of celery for the soup, and then one knob onions, some beans, carrot, onions, bell peppers of different colors, then tomatoes, and I'm gonna use some sriracha, and then I have some mayonnaise over here, and some yogurt, homemade yogurt, and salt and pepper for seasoning, and some cranberries and grapes. All right, so what I'm gonna do is start to season the chicken first before I cut the vegetables. Okay, so I'm just gonna season the chicken breast with some salt and little pepper and then start cutting the vegetables. All right, so I'm gonna take chicken breast, and so as you can see I have three big chicken breast. So season them with a little bit of salt first, and pepper. Now let's flip it over. And then put some more salt. And let it sit for like 10 minutes maybe. By the time you finish chopping your vegetables, it should be ready. Okay? Alright. Take out the celery stalks. So, because this is for the gravy, I'm not gonna chop them finely, okay? I'm just gonna use them like big stalks. Not too fine, just big stalks. Okay, I'm gonna take another stalk of celery and I'm gonna make fine cubes for that because that is gonna be mixed into the salad itself. So celery has been chopped. Next thing I'm gonna do is chop these carrots. Again, I'm gonna keep one or two of them small size. The rest of them will be big because they're gonna go in the soup where the chicken is being cooked, when the chicken will be cooked. Okay, so my carrots are ready too. Next comes knob onions. I'm gonna cut these knob onions fine and diced. So I'm gonna use this one for the salad itself and then this one for the soup. I have cut the green bell peppers. Now I'm gonna do the same for the orange and the red, just to give a nice little color. Okay, so I have the bell peppers cut. It looks very green, orangey and red. The final thing I'm gonna do before we put the chicken to a boil is cut the beans in half like this. Okay, so I have my vegetables cut. So the beans, onions, carrots. These three things along with some additional onions, I'm gonna use it for, oh, not to forget Mr. Celery. How can I forget celery? These will go in the pan for the chicken. Okay, so let's start by turning off the stove. Put it on high, and let's add 1 liter of water, and we'll need to add 2 more liters, 1 liter per 1 chicken breast. So I'm just gonna put this one in and add the second chicken breast. I think the second one is a little bigger, so I'm just gonna add more water. Hold on. Adding the second water and adding another. Guys, adding the veggies is purely optional. It's up to you if you want to add the veggies or not. I just added the knob onions and the onions. Now I'm gonna add the celery in it. Then add the carrots, and finally the beans. Okay, so now what we are gonna do is add some salt, because we added so many veggies. We want to make sure that there's salt in it. So I added 1 teaspoon of salt. Pepper. And we'll also add about ½ teaspoon of black pepper. Alright, so let's leave it uncovered and let it come to a boil let everything boil, and then we'll cover the lid. So for now I'm just gonna mix it. And I will check back in about 5 to 7 minutes. What I'm looking for is I want the water to boil, and then I'm gonna cover the lid and put it on simmer. So as you can see, the broth is boiling now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover the lid, put the lid on, and turn this to medium low heat, between medium and low, and let it cook for about 15 minutes. And right after that we'll see if the chicken is tender or not. Okay, it has been about 20 minutes, so I'm just gonna check the status of my chicken and see if it is tender or not. As you can see, it came up. I'm gonna let it cook for another 10 minutes. Alright, looks like my chicken is done, so I'm gonna just take the chicken breast out and we will shred these. I think I had 3 pieces. Alright, so with this we can make the soup. I'm not gonna do anything else in this video for the soup, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. But you can add some seasoning and some spices, or you can just use this as a clear soup. and enjoy. It's very nutritious. It has proteins, it has veggies, and I guarantee you it's gonna be very tasty. Okay, so let's move on to the chicken, and we'll start by shredding this. So try to make like these, shredded like this. Okay, shredded my chicken, and what I'm gonna do is season this a little bit with olive oil, then add some sea salt and some more black pepper. Okay, then let's just mix these guys. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do now is add the yogurt. Okay, whisk it. Now I'm going to add the mayonnaise. Next thing I'm gonna do is add some celery for now, chopped celery, then chicken, mix them, add another handful of chicken, and some more celery, mix them again. Let's add some salt, a little bit of pepper. Now we have our green veggies. Don't forget the spring onions. Mix all of them together. Then I'm gonna add some lemon juice to it. Maybe quarter. Then I have the onions. And along with onions, I'm gonna add some cilantro. So if you have some parsley, you can do that too. Cilantro, parsley, pretty much similar. And then I'm gonna add some mint. Alright, the next thing, don't forget our cranberries to give them a good color. Finally add some grapes to it. Alright, let's take it out in a bowl. Alright, I took it off in a bowl. For presentation, you can add some cranberries on the top and some green peppers and your black peppers, and here it is ready. So I'm gonna continue this video by assembling the sandwich. Alright, so this is the end of this part for now. I hope everyone will like it and give it a shot by making it. Thank you. Alright, so I'm gonna making chicken salad panini sandwich. For that I have focaccia bread. I'm gonna use some mixed greens. It has spinach, collard, arguga, and some other romaine lettuce and all different kinds of things. Then I have the giardiniera, whatever you want to call it. Then red onions, tomatoes, some cilantro and mint, pepper jack cheese, some mozzarella cheese, and then the chicken salad that I made in another video. Actually, I'm sorry, this is cheddar cheese, it's not mozzarella. Alright, so to begin, I'm gonna cut the bread into 4 quarters. Right, I already sliced it into half, and now I'm gonna cut it into 4 quarters. So I'm gonna use 1 quarter. I'm gonna put this on the side for now, and this is what we have here. So to start with, I'm gonna take some butter and gonna spread it on both sides, and I'm gonna start loading them up with some veggies, starting with onions on the bottom, some tomatoes, and some greens, and then I'm gonna put a pepper jack slice and add chicken salad on top of this. And I'm gonna cover it like this. I'm gonna have my panini grill ready to go. I'm gonna put it and press it. Okay, panini is ready. I'm gonna do the plating in a minute. So here's my plate ready. I have the sandwich and servings with some chips. Special plate for special wife. Here we go. I hope she enjoys it. Thank you all for watching.